In the face of a volatile global economy, decades-high inflation and geopolitical conflict, the prospects for Chinese economic growth have become a hot topic here at the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum. Under the theme, Cooperation in a Fragmented World, many attendees believe that China's optimization of its COVID-19 response will lead to more robust and prosperous growth and contribute to the recovery of the global economy.
China's reopening at present will be a big boost to global growth and injecting some level of optimism back into the medium to long-term trajectory for the global economy. So that's certainly one critical piece.
This means a lot to the global economy, to the world, to energy, and of course to the trade between China and the rest of the world. This has significant impact.
China has been always, very impressive in dealing with challenges. So I'm quite optimistic on the outcome.
Well, having lived in China for almost 4 years and seen how China can really develop, can grow, seeing the Chinese people, how they are very active, very patriotic, and also very keen to develop their country. I have faith in China, and I've always said this. When people have doubted the Chinese economy last year, in several interviews I've done with the media, I've always said, do not discount China. China will come back.